This child is catching global attention through his intelligence and extraordinary abilities. He is not an ordinary child. Generally, most kids are busy playing toys, gadgets, sitting in front of the TV. Yet, this is not the same at his young age. His intelligence is so high beyond a genius. He is a gifted child. His name is Sobhanu Isaac Bari. He is nominated for Nobel Prize 2021. Do you know him? Who is this child? Sobhanu Isaac Bari. He is the youngest professor in the world. He is a 9 years of age, Bangladeshi-American professor. He is a visiting physics professor at Ruia College of University of Mumbai, India. This youngster prodigy is also known as the Einstein of our time. He got recognition from President Obama in 2016, Harvard University in 2018, and highest recognition from New York State in 2020. And he received Global Child Prodigy Award from Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi in January 2020 for his exceptional intelligence. He was also one of the top 100 child prodigies in the world. The Global Child Prodigy Awards is the first and only award ceremony that celebrates child prodigies around the world. The organization recognizes the children having exceptional skills in their field of interest like writing, singing, dancing, mathematics, entrepreneurship, and so on. Moreover, in June 2021, India nominated Professor Sobhanu Isaac Bari for Nobel Prize 2021. Sobhanu Isaac Bari was born on the 9th of April 2012 in New York, America. His dad, Rashid Al-Bari, is a mathematician, and his mother's name is Shahida Bari. Sobhanu has a brother, named Rifat Bari. His parents are Bangladeshi immigrants. It's very interesting. He is so brilliant from childhood. He began talking full sentences when he was only a half-year-old. Amazing. Only at 2 years old, he was able to solve tough equations of physics, mathematics, and chemistry. In the wake of coming to think about his exceptional ability, his parents began sharing his recordings via social media platforms. It's anything but quite a while to get his videos viral on social media. In 2014, Vice President Gerald Postman, CUNY Medgar Evers College, interviews 2 years old Sobhanu Bari. In 2015, the youthful mathematical genius was invited for an interview by The Voice of America for a test on his splendid abilities. He turned into the youngest person ever to be in conversation with The Voice of America. Many renowned personalities have been keeping eye on this genius kid for testing his unique talents. Dr. Daniel Cabot, Chair, Physics Department, Lehman College, also interviews him. Peoples began accepting Sobhanu Bari as the next Sir Isaac Newton and surprisingly requested to change his name to Isaac. At first, his parents didn't consent to change his name, yet in the wake of finding his ability, they consented to add Isaac as his middle name, and later he was called as Sobhanu Isaac Bari. At 4 years old, in 2016, he was interviewed by the President, City College of New York, Lisa Koiko. He answered any questions of mathematics, physics, and chemistry easily. The president of City College of New York gave Sobhanu the loving moniker of the Einstein of our time. His unique skills attracted more interviews from Dr. Ricardo Fernandes, president of Lehman College, and Dr. Brian Murphy, chair, Maths and Computer Science Department, CUNY Lehman College, for conducting test. Congresswoman Barbara Comstock was so impressed to see this 4-year-old child's unique talents during an interview taken by Dr. Mizanur Chowdhury, professor of MIT, in front of thousands of people. In 2016 November, he got a letter of recognition from former US President Barack Obama for his giftedness in solving PhD-level mathematics, chemistry and physics problems. He was so happy. How do you feel if you got that letter for you? Do you know why the president writes to this 4-year-old child? Let us also inspire ourselves now by listening President's words to him in the letter, like we received it.
Dear Sobhanu, I hope you take pride in all your hard work and accomplishments. America needs students like you who are trying hard in school, dreaming big dreams, and improving our communities. Our country faces many challenges, but we will overcome them if we join together in common purpose. I encourage you to continue to put your best effort into everything you do, and I want you to know I expect great things from you. Young people like you are tomorrow's leaders. You inspire me and give me tremendous hope for the future. Michelle, and I wish you all the best.
Wow. It is really great. After 2 years, when he was 6 years old, in 2018, more acknowledgement came from Harvard University for his amazing problem-solving capacities. He additionally accomplished New York City's Gifted and Talented program. It is very interesting to see that Dr. Thomas Isaac Negby, president of Coney Bronx C College, gave him the honor to be the president of BCC for a few moments. All of you might be wondering, this is unbelievable, how he writes a book at this tender age. Why? What? Professor Sobhanu Isaac Bari holds an American ethnicity. He is also a writer, other than having exceptional skills in mathematics and science. When he was 7 years of age, he wrote a 70-page book, The Love, which relates 10 stories that are a kid's clarion call for communal harmony, religious tolerance, and world peace. This book outlines his dream to live in a world without terrorism. The philosophy of this young author Isaac Bari's book, The Love, is, as a Muslim, I love Islam. But I also love Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, and Christianity. I love to celebrate Eid, but also love to celebrate Durga Puja, Madhupurnam, Rosh Hashanah, and Christmas. Let's unleash love to create a world without terrorism. This is a wonderful philosophy, which should be spread to all over the world. Oscar winner Melissa McCarthy also interviews this gifted child, Professor Sobhanu Isaac Bari. Ruia College is one of the best colleges in India under the University of Mumbai. Professor Sobhanu Isaac Bari teaches college students at Ruia College as a visiting physics professor. He is the youngest one to teach college students. Sobhanu Isaac Bari aims to go to universities and teach as a physics professor. He wants to explore more and more in this world. This is a brief story of Sobhanu Isaac Bari. The world needs such a wonderful person for a better world. We wish him all the best. Let's learn, inspire ourselves, and motivate others to make a better world through sharing motivational information. Thank you for watching this video.